this video we represent the socket grafting protocol for OGMA bone cement when we lift the flap. So first we need to extract the tooth, and after the extraction we perform a complete debridement of the socket, and then we evaluate the socket to see whether we have a buccal plate or not. As you can see here. Now we evaluate where is the mobile mucosa and where is the attached one, the keratinized one, and we perform an oblique vertical mesial cut all the way down 2 mm into the mobile mucosa, and then we reflect the flap to see the entire defect, and we stretch it in order to get the feeling how much it can be stretched, because we want the flap to be with tension and not tension free. Now we activate the bond appetite syringe until the first piston reaches the blue line, remove the cap, and eject the bond appetite cement directly into the socket. Now we take a dry gauze and press firmly in order to condense the cement. If there is no place for our finger, as you saw here, we use elevator periostal. We remove excess, and now we take the mesial corner of the buccal flap and we stretch it. This is something that we are not used to do, because we used to do a tension-free flap. Here we want the flap to be under full tension, so we stretch it. So if we are 2 mm into the mobile, it will enable us to stretch it about 4 mm. The closure is maximal closure, which gives us the ability to leave it exposed up to 3 mm, but not more than that. And that's how it looks at day 1 at the radiography during graft placement. Clinical appearance 7 days post-op and 12 days post-op after stitches removal. Now at 3 months post-op we can see the outcome at the CBCT and complete regeneration of the area. At the re-entry we can see a complete transformation of the bond appetite bone graft cement into the patient on bone, which is a true regeneration. And as you saw, there was no membrane that was used, and of course no PRF about the graft, just the flap that was stretched directly above the material. And now in this stage, 3 months post-op, we can place our implant. It is very important to be familiar with the radiographic appearance of bond appetite bone graft cement during the healing phases, because first day when you place it, it will appear radio-opaque, and then in 2-3 weeks it will completely disappear at the radiographic appearance and will appear radiolucent due to the transformation of the material to the new uncalcified osteoid, and in 3 months it will appear radio-opaque again with the same trabecular form of the patient on bone.